Welcome. So here we are again in the video of demonstration of token bus protocol on LangTrainer systems. I hope all of you must have watched my video on LangTrainer system configuration and setup. If not, do it. Search on YouTube or the link is given in the description box. Okay, so let us start. As you can see, 3 machines are used to set up bus topology using LangTrainer system. All are connected to the LTS LangTrainer system using LAN cables. This is the hardware configuration and 3 machines configured in bus topology. The very first step is to switch on the client. We have got 2 clients and 1 server. The center machine is a server and on left and right 2 clients are there. The next step is to switch on the server. It will ask for few details. Select LAN and keep it to 100 Mbps by default. Here we have to configure topology that we want to demonstrate. Say bus topology we want to demonstrate. Select a protocol, token bus, default available on that, and here you can see the token time. Token is nothing but just a pass to put data on channel, and those machines who are not having this pass, that is token, can't put data on channel so as to avoid the collisions. Here you can have different times, say in seconds, and you can use any to demonstrate the protocol. But if we can go for a bit larger time, say 50 to 60 seconds, then it will allow us to enable the file transfer facility on machine. Otherwise we can only see the token passing. So we want to see the file transfer facility also. So we are going for 50 seconds at least and then creating a network. On one of the machines, that is client, we can see a circle having green color. That is indicating a token. So token is available with this machine right now. So it has got authority, it has got the power, it has got the permission to put data on channel by this file transfer button. Whereas on other 2 machines, these buttons are disabled, as you can see in the server as well as in the client part. Just now the token has got transferred from one client to other client, and hence the file transfer button has just got enabled on this machine. As well as you can see the current status of the client and the server which are not having the token. Token is with the 3rd machine right now. So green color button is moving after 50 seconds to the one machine after other and allowing us to transfer the file.